calculated using Ohm's law, assuming our conductors are ohmic and the temperature is constant. But as you know, resistance is a function of whatever material you're looking at, right? So what physical characteristics, aside from temperature, okay, so assuming the temperature is constant, what factors should you consider to ensure that this test is fair? So in this test here, I want to make a heater. So I've got two elements for my heater, element A, element B, and they have different resistances. So I want to conduct an experiment, and they want to know, how do I ensure that the experiment is fair? Okay, so one of the ways, obviously, is to make sure that the temperature is constant, because at different temperatures, the resistance is going to be different. So that's one way. What other things do I need to look at to ensure that my resistance is not affected? Like, what affects resistance in terms of the geometry of my conductors? Right? Okay, you've got current, you've got potential, but I'm not talking about Ohm's law. I'm talking about when I build an actual resistor, right? So if I build an actual resistor, let's say here's my wire. Right? It's going to be the thickness. In other words, if my wire is a cylinder, it's going to depend on the